If you want to enable YouTube dark mode in Firefox, this video will show you the quickest way to do it in just a few simple steps. Dark mode can make watching videos easier on the eyes, especially if you use YouTube at night or for long periods of time. It also gives the site a cleaner, more modern look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and look at the top right corner of the browser. Click the 3-bar menu icon to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This will take you to the Firefox settings page, where you can customize how the browser looks and behaves. Once the settings page opens, look for the Appearance section and click on it. This is where Firefox lets you control the theme and visual style of the browser. Now select Dark. As soon as you choose it, Firefox will switch to dark mode, and this can help YouTube follow the browser's dark appearance more smoothly. After that, go back to YouTube in your browser. If YouTube does not change right away, just reload the page. You can do that by clicking the refresh button or pressing reload in your browser. Once the page reloads, YouTube should now appear in dark mode. And that's it. You've successfully enabled YouTube dark mode in Firefox. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in comfort and viewing experience. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.